Third State Youth Conference Jongka National People Front Kabla Penlong has State Central Library Shillong Mentakasngi Kahnyo to Regulber Arhajar Arpasau Ha Kabayade Barkashnat Trekam Jongki Samla Jongkaseng National People's Party Ha Kaneko Conference Lawan Beneshim Bentalang Da National President ka NPP Ukon Rat Ke Sangma Bat State President Ba Prestun Tensong Kong Amparin Langdo Kabalong ru ka MP candidate lambat kiwei kinong ya lambah mat jong ka NPP.
Market for not just today's program that he has organized and the entire, in fact, the youth front that is organized in this program, but for really building what, and you can organize a party and organize a front. It's not that simple. It requires a lot of dedication. It requires a lot of sacrifice. It requires a lot of hard work. And it requires a very strong mind, because you will face numerous challenges, including a lot of disappointments that you're trying to organize a party and there's just 2 people who come, 3 people who come, but you still keep going. You still keep going because you have faith and you believe that what you're doing is right and for the larger interest. And therefore, I connect to what they are doing today. I've been doing this for the last 25 years almost now, where I remember when we had the NCP in the beginning in 1999. That was when late P.S. Sangma was earlier expelled from the Congress and the NCP was formed. I remember traveling with him village to village throughout the Northeast, and in some villages we would get 5 people, some villages 2 people who would come and maybe listen to us, join the party, some didn't join. And so I relate to the kind of challenges that you have faced. And that's why I want to give my sense of appreciation to each and every member of the NPYF for making this party and making the Youth Front what it is today. Filling up this auditorium, just imagine being able to motivate these youngsters today to join us, to be with us, to believe in what we are trying to achieve for this state. Requires, as I said, a lot of dedication. So once again, I would like to congratulate the NPYF, the entire team, and especially Bakit. I have seen his dedication. I really would like to thank him and once again congratulate him. Friends, at the same time, why is the Youth Front so important for us? Why is it very important? You have seen it in what we have done in the past, what we're going to do in the future also, and the plans that we have. I was sharing with some of the people yesterday, in fact, in the same hall. We were talking to some of the NCC cadets that there is a very special program that we have. I don't know if you know about this. It's called the Yes Meghalaya program. And through this Yes Meghalaya program, any youth group, anybody, you can form. You want to have a football match, any sports activity, any music, activity, talent hunt, any kind of competition, any kind of environmental activities, anything that you want to do. You simply have to apply, and without asking any question, we as a state government are giving up to 1 lakh rupees to all the youth groups throughout the state. In the last 2 years, we have funded, I can't remember exactly, but close to 2,000 groups we had funded. And we spent approximately about 4 crores in the last 2 years. But in 2024-25, I have kept 20 crores to be given to the youth. 20 crores. So have more programs. Organize the youth. If NPYF can take the lead to also motivate and spread this message,